Today, we are diving deep into what could easily be one of DJI's most revolutionary upcoming products, the highly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Following the phenomenal success of the Osmo Pocket 3, which captivated content creators with its compact design and smooth 4K stabilized video, DJI seems poised to push the boundaries even further. What makes the DJI Pocket 4 so exciting isn't just a routine hardware upgrade. This is potentially a major leap in the world of handheld filmmaking and portable vlogging setups. Let's explore everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, including rumored features, enhanced specifications, expected pricing, and potential release dates. DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a new era of pocket-sized filmmaking. DJI has built a reputation for disrupting the camera and drone market with innovative designs and professional-grade features packed into consumer-friendly devices. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to follow this tradition, potentially becoming the next big thing for vloggers, solo filmmakers, travel bloggers, and adventure seekers looking for top-notch portability without compromising on quality. One of the most thrilling aspects is the rumored integration of Hasselblad camera technology. For those who might not know, Hasselblad is the legendary Swedish camera manufacturer renowned for its superior color science, dynamic range, and lens precision. Previously, DJI reserved Hasselblad imaging technology for its flagship drones like the Mavic series, but now we may finally see this elite camera performance in a handheld gimbal camera. This could be a game changer. Imagine Hasselblad's iconic color calibration in the palm of your hand, offering next-level image quality, cinematic depth, and unparalleled detail. DJI's continued investment in Hasselblad, rumored to soon reach a 75% ownership stake, further supports the theory that deeper integration across DJI's ecosystem is on the horizon. Design evolution, bigger, smarter, and more ergonomic. One of the standout rumors about the DJI Pocket 4 is its redesigned body with a larger display. According to multiple leaks, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the 2-inch screen found on the Pocket 3. The new display is rumored to offer a 480 by 800 resolution with up to 800 nits of brightness, ensuring better visibility even in harsh sunlight, perfect for outdoor creators and travel vloggers. The physical design is also likely to be refined for comfort, with a slightly larger frame and improved grip texture. Enhanced button placements are expected to make operation more intuitive during extended filming sessions. The Pocket 4 is rumored to weigh around 190 grams, which still keeps it remarkably lightweight while accommodating the larger screen and upgraded components. Major camera upgrades. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to house a 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a fast 20mm f2.0 lens. This is a massive step up from previous models and is predicted to drastically improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and sharpness for creators shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The expanded ISO range, from 50 to 6,404 video and up to 16,000 for still photography, could offer significantly cleaner footage with less noise. Color grading enthusiasts will love the addition of 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M profiles, and HDR video recording, allowing for more advanced post-production flexibility. This could position the Pocket 4 as one of the best pocket-sized cameras for cinematic content creation. Improved autofocus and AI integration. Autofocus is reportedly getting a serious upgrade. Rumors suggest the inclusion of phase detection autofocus and advanced eye tracking capabilities, minimizing focus hunting issues that some users experienced with the Pocket 3. A new high-performance image processor is also expected to debut in this model, capable of handling higher bit rates, computational photography, and real-time HDR previews. This would drastically improve workflows, especially for vloggers who rely on fast turnaround times. New smart features. One of the standout smart features expected in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is ActiveTrack 7.0. Combining phase detection, AI subject recognition, and eye tracking, this system should provide unmatched precision when tracking moving subjects, even in crowded or fast-paced environments. For creators on the move, the gimbal stabilization system is also rumored to be significantly improved. DJI may blend mechanical gimbal stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms, providing ultra-smooth footage even during action sports, walking shots, or fast pans. This combination would likely outperform previous models in dynamic situations. Performance powerhouse. 4K at 240 FPS and beyond. The DJI Pocket 4 is expected to deliver 4K video recording at a blazing 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3. This could unlock beautiful cinematic slow-motion shots, making the device even more appealing to travel filmmakers, sports videographers, and social media content creators. The 1-inch sensor is not just about resolution, it's about better detail, dynamic range, and richer colors. With enhanced heat management systems, DJI seems focused on allowing longer continuous recording sessions without overheating, which is essential for professionals shooting long-form content. Battery life, longer, smarter, and faster charging. Battery life is another key improvement area. The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to include a more efficient power management system that supports longer shooting sessions, despite the demands of the larger screen and higher frame rates. What's even more exciting is the rumored support for DJI's PD fast charging, which could fully recharge the camera in approximately 25 minutes, a significant improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time, although the exact battery capacity remains speculative. It's expected to exceed the 1,300 mAh capacity of the Pocket 3. With the new energy optimization, we can anticipate more reliable, longer-lasting filming on a single charge. The improved thermal design is also expected to keep the device cool, even when capturing high-resolution footage over extended periods or when filming in hot climates. DJI Pocket 4. Potential price and release timeline. According to current industry leaks and DJI's typical product cycles, the DJI Pocket 4 is likely to be released between late 2026 and early 2027. DJI tends to refresh its Osmo Pocket series every 3 years, and all signs suggest the new model is in the final stages of development. When it comes to pricing, rumors indicate that the standard DJI Pocket May 4th be priced around $699, while the Creator Combo package, which might include additional accessories, wireless microphones, and tripod stands, could reach approximately $799 USD. Although this pricing is slightly higher than the previous Pocket 3 model, the leap in features, enhanced imaging capabilities, larger display, and superior stabilization make the DJI Pocket 4 a worthwhile investment. For serious content creators, casual users, or those on tighter budgets may still find excellent value in the DJI Pocket 3, which remains a very capable handheld camera. The DJI Pocket 4 is not just a minor refresh, it's shaping up to be a serious evolution in portable video technology, from its Hasselblad integration and 1-inch sensor to 4K 240 FPS video, active track 7.0, fast charging, and ergonomic improvements. This camera could be the perfect tool for vloggers, action shooters, travel enthusiasts, and creators looking to level up their video production on the go. If DJI delivers even half of what's rumored, this camera could seriously disrupt the compact camera market and compete directly with premium smartphone gimbals, action cameras, and even some entry-level mirrorless setups. Final thoughts: are you ready for the DJI Pocket 4? It's clear that DJI is aiming to set a new standard with the Osmo Pocket 4. Whether you're a daily vlogger, travel documentarian, or simply someone who loves creating smooth cinematic footage with minimal setup, this camera might soon become your go-to device. As always, keep in mind that these details are based on leaks, industry speculation, and early prototypes. The official DJI announcement will confirm final specifications, so stay tuned right here on Techno Trend Zone for all the latest updates. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to Techno Trend Zone for more detailed reviews, breakdowns, and the latest technology trends. Your support keeps this channel growing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.